What's the wheels doing, Jace?
They're going. They're going.
Okay, all right.
You're good.
Let go of the door. Turn your wheel.
Hit the brake.
Got it.
Turn your wheels straight.
Yep.
All right, Frank, good time.
Yeah, he's almost right.
Yeah, he's gonna roll backwards.
God bless you, Ray. Thank you.
You gotta take the thing out of the back of the truck.
Woo!
The strap out of the back of the truck.
Did you record that?
Where's your knife, man? Probably got to cut that.
Yeah.
Tight as shit.
If it would have rolled, it would have gone on break.com.
Smaller one may be stronger. He's going to need tension. Don't let him cut himself.
Alright.
I've never sharpened it. Use a smaller one. It may be sharp, but small ones I don't use.
All
Alright.
What do you have to say for yourself?
on it. I'll look next time instead of relying on anybody else.
Am I an asshole?
No.
Okay.
No.
Well, it looked better if you said I was.
I'm just so fucking happy.
Say, this is Brian Imperato,
And I
and you're watching Jackass.
again.
And you're watching Jackass. This is Redneck doing dumb shit.
Oh, God. Hey, we got barbecue chicken and hamburgers cooking on the grill right now, Ray, if you don't want to go out.
You know how that's gonna settle my old lady?
Oh, I hear you. Woo! You stay there, I need something to hit. Not enough damage. I know.
What, do you got him on a leash? Just let it go, bro. Straighten it out. Just let it go. Yeah, it just kind of goes wherever. Woo!
Yeah, just cut it off and get it over. That way it don't fly out or anything.
I'll send you the video.